Georgia, west north central Georgia, north central Georgia, north central Georgia, north central Georgia, western central Georgia, north central Georgia, north central Georgia, north central Georgia, south central Fulton, Georgia, north central Georgia, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 12:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the water extending from Sweetwater Creek State Park to near Turner, moving at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. Radar indicated. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof. Expect damage to roof. Sighting. Entries. Locations impacted include Woolsey, Piedmont Park, Decatur, North Decatur, Hidden Valley Park, North Atlanta, Brookhaven Heights, Riverdale, Little Five Points, Newtown, Highland Mills, Virginia Highland, Brooks, Experiment, and Elwood. Alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see damage, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-444-6644 and report at NWS Atlanta. Tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for North Central and West Central Georgia. The National Weather Service in Kansas City has